Nice with this X7. Wow, here you have many. Yeah, this is nice as a Kulnan. Whoop. All electric. You can lower it and heighten it. That's crazy. Huge car. Okay, I'm at a very nice street called Daimlerstraße in Garching, where they produce BMW M5, or actually developed BMW M cars. Wow, this is a luxurious car. See, they have these pillows. Wow, how far can you turn it back? Wow, how much can you recline this thing? Oh, this is comfortable. I need to try it. Okay, USB here. That's really nice. It's a large car. Wow, so luxurious. I'm going to have a look at BMW M. Just see what they have in stock. Laser light. See if we can turn it off. Yes. Blue. Anyway, I'm gonna have a look at Garching. Herzlich willkommen. See, this is what I think when I see this is the Orifos crystal in the XC90. Sorry, for once I think BMW was after Volvo for one thing in the world. Anyway, okay, let's see. So, Niederlassung Munich. This display is gigantic. And wow, we have a M5 competition. It's the M340 here, maybe. We have this nice sun, what do you call this? Gonna do, wow, what is that? I need to have a look. That's the new, I saw the new M3. Just have to have a look. Yep, that's the new M3. This glass roof is nice. But this is really nice that you can push the rear seat. But you should be able to do that also from the rear. Oh, that was a M8. It's M8s everywhere. So many M8s here. It's crazy. So I assume this sucker must have autonomous driving. Yes, aktivering mittast. Abstandreglering. No, I want I want the full thing. So does it say it's 100 now? Okay. Let's go. It's 100 kilometers per hour road, so we can actually do a 0 to 100. What do you say about that? Maybe a launch control. No, down we have a truck. Damn. It's kind of a funny feeling. You have this high revving, really familiar engine which in this large car, it's not wrong. Maybe like a more torquey rich like V8 would be like more proper, but I mean, it's fun. So weird with this big car, but be fresh BMW feeling to it. But you know what? It's time to turn back. I need to leave it at a certain time. So I'm gonna reverse in here. This shifter feels nice with the crystal. That's not Orrefors, which it is in the XC90. Yeah, only funny feeling is that you have the rear window is just so way back. If you have many kids or you need a large car and you like BMW, this is it. I wonder how an Alpina or M Performance version of this would be. X7M, I doubt it. I mean, but MX760. Ah, that's a i8 convertible, electric. Okay, time to go.